facing that big hotel. No windows. But you see full families coming and going from them in the daytime. Really nice 5 days here, and I've wanted to show you so much more of it. But you can't do really, you're just a tosser, aren't you, with a video. When I've been out in the nightlife on the island. Well, not for very long, 10-15 minutes from the iPhones. But none the same, there's still little bits of it you'd like to have put on the video just to break up the monotony of the fucking background. But no, the best thing has been bathing in that water and this dog following me. Beautiful. This is really a beautiful place. Still unspoiled enough for it to be quite traditional, but yet spoiled enough for it to be acceptable. As you move into the outback, you wouldn't be able to settle. You need something that's been westernised to an extent. Just watching this woman struggling with a bush bend. You know, even if you feel like you shouldn't regard these girls, you've got to. It's just so beautiful. Every day. It's not very nice, is it? She doesn't want to be video. She's not for it. Take the video off. Fuck off. I do want to get the mountains in the background as much as I want to walk amongst all the women. It's a phenomenal place. And homelessness, isn't it? But not homelessness. Thunder and lightning before. I'm too sure I'm going to get down there, but the fun I've had in this water, you know, is not true. Just where those two people are there, just in front of them, that's the only deep part where boats can get through. So you get yourself into that section, you can't stand up, just the rapids just pull you away. And as you can see, every girl's looking over her shoulder, so I'll stop after this before I get a worse name to myself than I already have. Anyway, she stopped singing now, so that's a winner. Hope I haven't pissed on her. I've given her chances of the Japanese version of I Can't Sing. There's all the schoolies now coming with all the washing, brushing the teeth and walking back with towels on. Very, 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 very paradise like. In a non-pervy way, I didn't mean that, like fucking schoolgirls coming back with towels on. Just meant in a schoolgirls coming back with towels.
Existence and mystery to the rest of the world, obscured as it was by great clouds.
I just had to stop and look at
Here they played out their peaceful lives, innocent of the living excess and violence.
to buy a glass of orange. Oh, God, look awful. Left upside down to bake to death. All of these crabs. Feels like she's a torturer. Not still alive, though. God, I'm not a horrible sight. I shouldn't give her any money now. She's clearly affected by that big fucking mountain stood in front of the shop. Loads of shops again, every one of them's got exactly the same thing. Except this woman's the fucking big cheese. She's got canned drink. It is without a doubt one of the most pleasant sights. Just watching all the village go down there and washing their clothes and washing themselves and playing around. And because the water's so shallow, it really is really powerful. You can't lie down it, it just pushes you off. But stunning place. Definitely a piece of paradise, but because it's a piece of paradise, everything's already taken up, every little bit of beauty spot. You've even got to pay to get over that bridge. You can see that 4x4 coming over there now. So they've turned it into a natural oasis and an open park, open towers. Well, that's what you expect, I suppose. You get enough tourists, they drop enough fucking litter, then someone's got to pick it up and clean it. When it butterflies around there, the kids go around with nets like that, just running up the street, catching butterflies. This is the shot where I can't stop thinking about that poor fucking toad, that tortoise. Look at that, leaning in as well. She's stuck right between these fucking big valley. I've noticed all that stonework there. Looks like a tree branch, but it's not, it's all shards coming this way and that one there. See how much they're leaning over? It was obviously connected on it at one point there, and it just collapsed in. And raised the ground to this level now, like where we live. Oh, what a fucking dark and dismal, horrible place. There's like a fucking League of Gentlemen. I want to rescue that from. At least we're going dead north now. But it's alright for a girl in the hotel to say, oh, the roads are quite flat. It's these little fucking inclines that just keep going uphill all the time. Which is rather good fun. It's a killer. Well, luckily there's somebody carrying more than I've got. So I do. Look at the size of the hill. This is by far the steepest hill I've climbed, and it has by no means ended. Oh, Jesus. But it doesn't matter how remote we are, you still get some poor cunt coming past you carrying loads of shite on the back.